Alright guys, welcome back. I'm going to be doing the Ravenclaw themed pour today, and as you see I'm sticking with the open cup just because I really liked the results so far. I will mix it up again, but since I actually have a plan for these, I figured I might as well just stick with what's working. But to keep it interesting, I did a 3-cup, 1 big, 2 small, just to make it different. And as you see, I've learned from my mistakes. I started with the black background since it seems most of theirs are darker themed. And I have a light blue, a bronze, because their colors are like a darker blue and bronze. I have a darker blue, and then I have a yellow ochre. So I know I said bronze and yellow ochre, and if you know anything about colors, you're probably like, those are nothing alike. You're correct. But whenever it comes to the movie, it seems as though their scarves are like a dark blue and yellow ochre instead of actual bronze. A lot of the colors seem to be off, but I'm just going with both. I'm using bronze and I'm using yellow ochre, so we're going to keep it interesting. Now, I'm going to start with my light blue here. I think I'm going to start with my yellow here. I think I want that one closer. Here. Alright. I will go to bronze here. That one already looks like it's trying to lift off. I'll do darker blue. And some yellow in here. Darker blue. Left off with dark blue, but let's go with the lighter blue. Ooh, there it goes. Wow, that has some really cool effects coming out of that one. And let's see if we can get this one going. That. Don't want it going off the edge. Ooh. Oh no. Well, that just happened. Almost out of this light blue thanks to that. It's okay, it's part of the color theme anyways. I want to see if I can lift it. Yeah, tilt it a little bit. Oh! Okay. So as you can see, we're getting some pretty good results so far. I don't see any bronze in this one yet. this one's going pretty well. Let's add some more yellow in here. That is pretty much everything except for some more bronze. Alright. Really like that so far. As I've said like 50 times, you know, I just gotta say it a few more times and I'll be done, I promise. Start shifting it, I think. First this needs to be dragged up to this corner, I think. That's very cool. This one. See if I can shift this a little bit. Alright. So that's really awesome looking. Very vibrant. I really like how these are turning out. There's so many cells in this one too. Which way do I want to go? There's so many pretty things going on. Spill over that side. This back a little. That one turned out awesome. Don't want to tilt it at all. I think it's perfect. Be right back. Shh. Okay. So I know I've said this almost every time I've created one, but this one is my favorite. It looks kind of like peach. I hope it reads as bronze. Probably not. Nope, not in the camera it doesn't. Anyways, it's got like this nice bronze stretched out here, and it's got all of these beautiful, beautiful cells. Oh my god. Like lace work of cells all the way throughout it. And I think, you know, this is the final one, guys. This is Ravenclaw. And who knew how much these colors look so great together? It looks like a universe, like an explosion, colorful universe. And I love it. I'm obsessed. Go ahead and pop all of these extra little things. And there we go, guys. Now I will set this aside and let it dry, and I will show you guys a close-up tomorrow. I'll see you guys then. Hey guys, welcome back. We are doing a final check-in on the Ravenclaw inspired pour. It may not scream Ravenclaw to some people, but I feel like once I put the main event, the main interest item on top, it'll definitely all come together. But I still really like how this one turned out. I think it might be my new favorite. With all these beautiful cells, let's get a nice close-up. The camera does not do it justice, because all of this is a beautiful bronze, even this over here. I can't even catch a shimmer, there we go. So it's very beautiful. I really like it. And I look forward to seeing how it'll look once I have the main item on top of it. And I hope you guys are enjoying this little series I got going on. Let me know down in the comments below if there's anything you think I should do differently, or if you have any suggestions whatsoever. Just let me know down in the comments. Like this up if you enjoyed, share it to any of your Harry Potter friends out there, and I really look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye!